Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I am Commodore Johnson. I am the curator of the Maritime History Society, and this is behind me is an installation of INS Godavari. It's called a tribute to three ships named Godavari, which have been part of India between 1943 and 2015. Whatever we have set up, most of it is from the original material that is with the Maritime History Society, and some part of additional items has been designed by a team of students from the Rashna Sansad College of Applied Arts. The whole aim was to bring before the public, and first time at Kala Ghoda, a special tribute to say that ships live forever. So there are three ships. We have a bell which you can see later, which is from the first ship. We had a second ship from 1955 to 79, and the final, which is there as a model, was there till 2015. So that's the tribute to Godavari.
और इसमें मुझे बताना था कि गोदावरी शिप है क्या, तो उसका इंफॉर्मेशन पैनल्स है, उसका जो मैरिटाइम हिस्ट्री का बोर्ड है एंड गोदावरी शिप का स्टैचूज, एंड मैंने एक मिनीचर मॉडल में गोदावरी शिप बनाया. सो गोदावरी शिप वो मतलब एक मिनिमलिस्टिक मॉडल्स है, एंड देन की एक स्टेयरिंग की जिससे लोग अट्रैक्ट हो सके, उन लोगों को समझेगा कि गोदावरी शिप क्या है.
The fact is, unlike a lot of other installations, we have not specifically focused on environment, but a naval ship itself, which sails in the sea, operates with a very environment-friendly nature. One of the concept is that Godavari, the name itself lives on. So artifacts which are from one are sort of like recycled artistically into the new one. The whole presence is that when we get in, we bring people to the sea environment. Sea is the most green environment which supports the entire greenery. तो जहाँ पे हमारे पास इंस्टॉलेशन नहीं है, वेरी एनवायरनमेंट फ्रेंडली मटेरियल यूज़ करके, बिना और कोई चीज़ जिसको बाद में रिसाइकल या वेस्ट करना पड़े, उस तरह की प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करके इसको बनाया. सो दैट इज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द एनवायरनमेंट.
It is a beautiful experience. Everybody must come here, especially the students of colleges who are in design and art and fine arts and all those things. So it's a treat to watch. There's a guy over there, right ahead. He has got something called ticket painting. Now what he's done is, पुराने बस के tickets नहीं होते थे, bus and train के tickets, उनके pieces cut करके he's made abstract paintings, which you will not think of, you know.
It's my first time in India, in Mumbai. I'm just about to arrive, and I was so glad to have this kind of festival to meet and to know the city. I took the bus to make a little tour around Mumbai, and I found it very interesting, and all the festival actually, because I love art and culture. So I think for me as a foreign person, it was an amazing way to start to know the city. I loved the sculptures over there. I don't know actually if it was made with some garbage or something, because it's a green festival, I don't know. But I'm quite, what can I say, I'm quite moved to this kind of initiative.
Tejas Foundation, Mumbai. Today we were presenting Maharashtra Darshan at Kala Ghoda. Our chief choreographer was Mr. Rakesh Shirke, and we presented maximum number of Shahi Sableji's songs, just remembering him and presenting the complete Maharashtra Darshan. The Maharashtra Darshan started with the Vasudev, followed by the Divtya, and then, of course, the Ramadas Swami's Ananda Bhavana Bhuvani. Then, of course, we cannot forget the Ganpati, Govinda festival, and Balya dance of Maharashtra. The lady special Mangla Gaur was also presented, along with the most favorite one, the Lavani, and lastly, the Maharashtra Bhumi Putra Koli. So the last was a Koli dance along with the Koli marriage. This year's theme was Green Ghoda. That means they save nature, save environment, and I think we all the people of the nation must try to save the environment by not cutting the trees, by not throwing the pit all around, and keeping the environment as clean as possible for the next generation.
If you want to know more, especially about the festival and about all the good work done here,
And other such interesting videos.
You can search on website.
Go to